Hello everyone, Kitslams here and welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today we're going to be making King Boo out of chocolate M&Ms. In the past I've drawn an inverted drawing of King Boo. We have a crayon carving of King Boo, but today we're going to make him out of those tasty little chocolate treats that we like to call M&Ms. You gotta love the King Boo. I mean, look at this guy. I don't know what it is. I just love King Boo. And I think it's about time that our friends at Nintendo give King Boo a promotion. You know, I would very much like to see King Boo as a main character or an entire franchise or a video game series based on Boo. Is this possible? I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Should they make a game just devoted to King Boo alone? That would be amazing in my opinion. I'll tell you one thing. Whenever I play Mario Kart, I am absolutely without question certainly going to be choosing my favorite there, who is King Boo. But Yoshi too, he's cute. I like Yoshi. Which brings me to a question, guys. Who is your favorite Mario character? And have I created an M&M mosaic of him or her so far? Because if not, leave it in the comments below and I'll be sure to be working on that one in the future. Besides our M&M mosaic of King Boo here, I've been busy working around Kitslams Studios getting things organized, especially working on printing out all of my prints and getting all of those things prepared for future artist alleyways this year and also our conventions. And with that, our King Boo made entirely out of chocolate little pieces is finished. I'm curious, what do you guys think? How did he turn out? And if you're interested, you can buy prints of King Boo here in various sizes on my store. I've got 4x6, 5x7, 8.5x11, and yes, even 11x17. Guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. My name is Kitslams, and I will see you in my next video.